Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shaggy. So for today's video, I'm gonna share to you what's inside my purse. Alright, but before that, I just want to let you know guys that this is not sponsored. So sa lahat ng items na sasabihin ko na sa loob ng purse ko, hindi siya sponsored. So, but for anything else, for those new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and comment down below. And let's hop in. Alright, so first, this is a Teddy Blake Ava Crow. This is a 9 inches. The color is camel brown. And this is one of my favorite purse. They're all handmade sa Italy. Diba? Lakas ng social. Ano pa? This purse is really amazing. Kasi real leather siya. Tapos yung leather niya, it smells great. Tapos they're beautifully made. Very classy. And I just love it. And it will go with everything as it is timelessly elegant. Look at the back, guys. Alright, so let me share what's inside my purse. Alright. So nakakaloka siya, di ba? May lock siya and key. Pero hindi naman siya magagamit talaga, so it's just design. Ano laman ng bag ko, guys? So siya. Yeah. So first, I always bring this wherever I go. I'm into pearls and gold. See, this is so nice. Ang ganda ng bracelet na. So I bought this Starbrook State Park. May gift shop doon and ang dami mga accessories, and ito yung naging favorite ko. Pearls. And may din ako sa pen. Pearl. Diba? So dagdagan natin ng pinamukha ang hair ko. Yan, di ba? So, yun. So, next item. It's my wallet. Guys, before, mahilig ako sa malaking wallet. But, as I get older, sabi ko, I don't need a big wallet. And I have two boys, and normally kapag lalabas ako, talagang dapat ang purse ko maliit lang, and yung wallet mo dapat maliit din para madaling mailagay sa bag. So yan, cards and yan. Next ko, guys, is my car key. So I have truck key and car keys. This is actually one of my must-have sa purse ko. This is Usana's Calm Response. This is actually a high-quality balm, because it's uniquely blends essential oils. Parang may calming effect siya. So, ang health benefit nito, guys, stick siya. Ayan. You guys can see. It's a stick. So, formulated siya with uniquely blend of essential oils. Essential oils known for relaxing, tsaka may calming effect nga, yun sabi ko. And it comes with a balm stick for on-the-go use. And ano lang siya, for topical use. para mag-create ng aromatic environment. So, yes. Next one is lip balm. This is also from Usana. It's a lip balm. It deeply nourishes your lip. Ito talaga yung must-have ko sa lips ko kasi yung lips ko palaging dry. What I like about this product is it is made with natural ingredients. So it's packed with coconut oil, vitamin E, and shea butter, and more to keep your lips moisturized. So yeah, so I'm going to put the link below kung saan pwede nyo siyang ma-order. And also I have a small notebook paired with small pen. Yan, dito ako susulat ang mga kailangan ko, especially for groceries. Palagi ako nasa labas. I always go out, do groceries, mga pangailangan dito sa house. So yun, I always bring this small notebook. And of all, itong phone. So yan, must have. Also wet wipes. Wet wipes. What else? Meron din akong black charcoal linens. Pag mga oily yung face dyan, kaway-kaway. So this is a Boscia brand. I bought it at Sephora. So I use this for pag oily na yung skin ko. Ano pa naman ang book ko? Meron ako small perfume. It's a Calvin Klein brand. Super. I love the smell of it. Last one is hindi ito mawawala sa akin. This is floss, dental floss. Alam niyo na guys, pag kakain kayo sa labas, you should have this. You must have. Diba? Hindi na mawala sa akin ng mirror from Sephora. This was a gift from a friend of mine. Sa natin. Diba? Also, meron din akong small pouch here na nilalagyan ko ng dollar bills. Kapag in case of an emergency, tapos wala akong makitang cash sa wallet ko. Hinahanap ko to. Lastly, since summer ngayon, hindi na nawawala ang shades. O, diba? So, that's all I have, guys. Sa maliit na purse ko. Shout out to Teddy Blake. So, if you guys like this video, please give the thumbs up. Comment down below if ano bang gusto nyong makita ng content sa aking channel. So, thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.